Good morning, my name is Achraf. I am Product Manager of Intrusion and IoT at Demes Group. In this video we are going to present the universal control for air conditioning splits or for air conditioning machines that have infrared. This device works directly or communicates directly with the split via infrared. The database contains more than 3,500 devices already added, so that they are ready to use, for example splits from Mitsubishi, LG or any other well-known brands, and even unknown brands. We also have them in the database and we can use them as templates to be able to control our air conditioning machine. We have touch buttons to be able to connect directly to the split. Here we see that we have a set point of 25 degrees that we can lower it to 23 or 22 or 21 and automatically the actions are sent to our split through the infrared and it will tell us the temperature in real time. This is very important because it has humidity and temperature sensors at the bottom, which allow us to see in real time what temperature we have in the installation or in the area where we have it placed. It also has Z-Wave, which allows it to communicate directly with the VESTA panels that have the Z-Wave protocol to be able to carry out any bidirectional control. We can adjust the temperature remotely from the application or configure automatic rules such as, for example, an efficiency rule. If we open one of the windows of the installation, automatically turn off the split air conditioning. We are going to see an example that if we arm the VESTA panel, we will turn off the split air conditioner. Here we see that we have 10 seconds, after 10 seconds it will send the direct action to the split air conditioner. We already see that it has been controlled and it is already paying. This device is plug and play because it does not require any installation. It has an internal battery that is rechargeable with a Type-C connector and this allows the technician to perform an installation very quickly. We don't need to wire, we don't need to do a big installation. Wiring. Just plug the base to the wall and directly place our device.